Hailstorms can cause significant damage to vehicles, often leading to dents, cracked or shattered glass, and paint chips. Dealing with the aftermath involves evaluating the damage, navigating insurance claims, and arranging repairs. First, it's crucial to understand the types of hail damage, which range from dents on the vehicle's exterior to broken glass and chipped paint. After a hailstorm, vehicle owners should perform a self-inspection and then have a professional assess the damage, even if it appears minor. Following this, contacting the insurance company to file a claim is essential, ensuring that all damages are documented and an accurate estimate is obtained. Choosing the right repair shop is vital. Factors like the shop's reputation, technician certifications, and warranty offerings should be considered. Many hail damage repairs utilize Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, a method that preserves the vehicle's original paint and is effective for minor dents. However, more severe damage might require traditional repair methods, including sanding and repainting, or even glass replacement. Before leaving the vehicle for repairs, owners should remove personal belongings, document the vehicle's condition, and provide necessary paperwork to the repair shop. After repairs, it's crucial to inspect the work, check for additional issues, and review any warranty provided. By following these steps, vehicle owners can ensure their car is restored to its pre-hail condition efficiently. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.